What's up and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we have a different setup today and we're going to rebuild these carburetors for the BMW F650. So I've bought a rebuild kit from Amazon. I'll put the link down in the description. So first of all, guys, these are the carburetors from my BMW F650 and I suspect that they are overfueling and that something's wrong here. So I've got some brake cleaner, I've got some brushes, we'll only use the nylon brush, and then some tools to disassemble this all. So let's get started. Okay guys, so in today's video I want to show you, here's the spark plugs that actually came out of the bike. It's fouled and overfueling. So I suspect the carburetor is, something's dirty and it's not giving enough air to fuel ratio. Something's wrong. So let's take these bad boys apart and see what's going on inside. So I'm going to start by taking off the bolts. And these bolts can really be a pain to get loose. So I'm using a ratchet and Torx bit. And that is just to break them loose. So as you guys can see, that bolt is already stripped. Let's take off this float bowl and see if we can loosen that with a vice grip. Okay guys, so I already see an issue here. I see a lot of gunk build up and that's not good. So definitely a rebuild will be very good for this carburetor. Set that aside. Now you just want to gently lift up your floats. We have a small O-ring on this and we have a float stop needle on this side. Okay guys, so I had to use a grinder to make a slot in this bolt and now we're taking it off. Is it the bolt or is it the screw? Comment down below. I never really know. I think it is I call it bolt because it is threaded to M6. So this we'll have to replace. Taking off this float ball and we have the same gunk down here. It looks like jelly. So we'll put that aside. Take off our floats and float needle. Same, we have a small washer there and our float needle right there. That will be replaced. Okay guys, so next I want to remove the diaphragms. So these bolts are also very stubborn. So I'll use the same procedure that I used and hopefully not strip them. This is for the flip hole needle, so we'll just pull them out. Just like that, and you can see that the rings are pretty done. Guys, remember, down below, this is a complete kit, and you can just go click on the link and you can buy it from there. Next off, let's take out these needles for the Venturis. Oh, that is very gunked up. Wow. Yo. Okay, great stuff. I'm glad we found that. So next up, there's a needle there and a needle there. We'll take them out. And just make sure you have the right screwdriver. It is quite difficult. You can easily mess the thread up, and that's gonna ruin the day pretty much. There we go. And this is a very, very fine needle, and I see this one is at least not blocked. The other side also is open. Then these are the air fuel mixture needles. So I'm not 100% sure what's the spec on them, but I normally just put them in and take them out 3.5 tins. Okay guys, so the next part that I want to take out is the Venturi, which looks like this. And to take this out, you'll have to put in a small screw and it will just heat out. So I have these little M5 bolts, and I'm just gonna run this one into this thread. It wants to go in. Should go in. I guess it's just that dirty in here. And there you go. You can see this is pretty nasty. There's a lot of gunk on this. And all of that gets stuck on these small holes in the Venturi, and then it won't suck in the air fuel as it should. Shoot, guys, this one is very bad. As you guys can see, it's just gunk all in these holes. Definitely one of the big issues that we had. Okay, so next up, let's take off these brackets and separate these two carbs, and then we'll hopefully be able to clean them properly. And we have the same issue again. Just gonna spray some WD-40 down here. we have two separate carbs here. So now off to the cleaning. So guys, after cleaning up these carbs, this is the brake cleaner, and that is just nasty. Okay guys, so this is what we're going to use in the kit. We'll have to reuse the needles because the new ones are a bit shorter and different diameters. These are extra stuff that you use on a Suzuki TR500, so there is some extra parts. So let's put this thing. this back in, and that will be in the next video. So just a reminder, clean your carburetors. Happy carbs, happy life. Thank you all for watching.